Dear students, this prospectus is being sent to you by Vivekanand Institute of Management with a note of thanks for showing interest in the courses offered by Vivekanand Institute of Management. Vivekanand Institute of Management was established in the year 2006 and we are offering courses affiliated under Gulbarga University, Kalburgi. We offer BBM, BCA and BCom programs. The aim of these courses is to create entrepreneurs, technocrats, and managers and professionals such as chartered accountants, company secretaries, and various other professionals who can be useful to the society and who can be very much successful in their personal life also. In this prospectus, we are going to take you through the various facilities that are being provided by Vivekanand Institute of Management, and we'll also tell you about the pedagogy of the course. The key to success for any student to succeed in his endeavors is to keep educating yourself. So this prospectus, it shows you the design of a key opening your door to success. We believe that at Vivekanand Institute of Management, we help you to open the doors of success. We request you to go through this 16-point formula to become an ideal student, which is given by Swami Vivekananda, and in addition to this, also go through the message of the secretary. This is the secretary's message to all the students who wish to join our institution. Now we will go through the various benefits that you will get in our college if you join us to pursue your education. The vision of the college is to create principled, inspired, socially responsible and creative leadership among its students by providing the highest quality of education. Our mission is to train students to successfully assume leadership position in business and all related fields. We also wish to maintain a highest quality standards in education through a process of continuous improvement. We want our students to imbibe with innovative professional skills and develop them into creative managers, technocrats and entrepreneurs. We want to participate actively in the corporate life of the university as well as that of the local community. We strive to continuously upgrade our services, keeping in mind the evolving requirement of the students, the industry and the society. With this mission and vision statement, we are clear about providing the highest quality of education to our students to mold them into capable citizens. The facilities that we provide in our college include the best of the computer lab, especially for the BCA students. All the latest softwares are available as per the syllabus prescribed by the university. We have a library where plenty of books are available. Apart from books available there, we also ensure that each one of the students gets at least one book of each subject so that he can read at home. So one set is provided for each student and you can keep that book with you till the end of the semester. You need not return it once in 15 days like the practice is there usually in most of the colleges. Once a book is given to you, you can keep it with you till the end of the semester. Then there is a lot of extracurricular activities that goes on in the college. We encourage students who are very much interested in sports to pursue their sporting activities. Then as part of our pedagogy, we try to ensure that each student selects the best and most suitable course for him or her. Every student is unique. Every one of you is different and your requirements are different. So we try to understand that, and right from the time of admissions, we try to ensure that you choose the course which is best suited to you. So through a mode of discussion, we try to find out and provide you inputs. What is the benefit of each course? What are the career prospects in each course? Thereby helping you to make a informed decision. That doesn't end there. The counseling continues throughout your 6 semesters of journey with Vivekananda Institute of Management. Every now and then we discuss with the students their progress. We help them with choosing their further course of education also. The classroom sessions in Vivekananda Institute are mostly engaged by highly qualified, experienced faculty members. The faculty members are friendly and we encourage the students to learn by asking questions through practical exposures also. We also believe that the teaching faculty alone are not sufficient to provide you with all the inputs. Therefore, we always keep on inviting the best of the people from the industry and the academics to deliver guest lectures. Apart from this, spoken English, personality development programs, post PG entrance examination, that is admission for MBA, MCA, MCOM, all are being conducted through entrance examination. That entrance examination coaching classes are also held once in a while. Then memory techniques, various guest lectures are arranged for the overall development of the student. We also believe that to gain practical knowledge, industrial visit is a good option, and all the students who can join us, we take them on industrial visit once a year. Parents meeting is also an integral part of the pedagogy at Vivekananda Institute of Management, because we believe that your development as students is possible only when you are interested. We as the college take interest in it, as well as your parents also take an interest in it. So it is a three-way interaction between the student, the parents and the teaching staff, which will ensure the overall growth of the students. So we conduct parents meet at least once in a semester. This apart, we also believe in continuous assessment. There will be internal examinations as prescribed by the university. We conduct preparatory examinations. Surprise tests are taken. Open book tests where you are allowed to refer the notes to prepare and write for the test, that is held. Seminars, presentations, viva voce, these are some of the methods which we use for continuous assessment of the students. Now, a question that usually pops up in the minds of most students is, what are the placement facilities which are available? At Vivekananda Institute of Management, we conduct placement drives as much as possible. We are tied up with several placement organizations who get to our campus, some of the leading companies also, as well as local requirements are also brought to the notice of the students. Our alumnus also helps us in getting various opportunities for our students. Our alumnus today are very well placed, and they are working in almost all the big multinational companies as well as the government sectors. So their guidance and their help is always sought by the outgoing students, and our students, we have a past students association who help the freshly graduating students to get their jobs. This is a picture of some of our students who have achieved very high distinction in their fields, be it education, extracurricular activities, sports, or any other aspects. These are some pictures which will tell you about some of the activities that are always held at Vivekananda Institute of Management. We request you to go through our Facebook page, Vivekanand Kalburgi, join there and see what are the various activities which are held continuously throughout the year in our college.